Each customer is different and we look at each customer independently. When are they using their power? What are the other appliances in their house, such as hot water systems? And is there a way that we can look to optimise the usage and consumption by using and aligning it with your solar production? Definitely pays to pick the right installer. All our installers, of course, are Clean Energy Council accredited installers and designers, so we select to use only the best installers. Yeah, so it's important that the designer of the system and the person who's selling that system to you actually designs it appropriately to match the size of what your electricity consumption is. The installer does make a huge difference to the system, the performance of that system. If they design the system incorrectly, you're not going to be getting a match between what your electricity consumption and the production of your PV system is going to be. If they install it incorrectly and they use inferior product and they don't put things in according to the Clean Energy Council guidelines and electrical guidelines, it's not going to work. It's critical that you get the right people. In terms of specifying the right solar system for a customer, we've got to look at the orientation of the roof, the available roof space. We've got to look at the time that they're actually using the power, and ideally they're going to want to align those with the production and the consumption. We want to optimise the benefit to the customer. We offer fearless advice. We're not afraid to suggest whatever is the right product for a particular application, for a particular customer, and we will say no to a job if we don't believe that you're going to get the benefit out of it.